Good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. Myself, Mrs. Shagufta Sheikh, is again back with a new topic of maths. Students, why do we need money? We need money for different things such as buying things, shopping, for traveling, for education, etc. So you should know different coins and notes. So today we will learn more about coins and notes. As in third standard, you have seen different coins and notes. We will have a quick revision of it. Now, look at the picture of this coin and tell me the value of it. Now, what is the value of this coin? Yes, it is a 25 paise coin. What is the value of this coin? It is a 50 paise coin. This 25 paise and 50 paise were used earlier, but now these coins are not accepted by any of the bank branches. What is the value of this coin now? It is a 1 rupee coin. This coin, it is a 2 rupee coin. This is a 5 rupee coin and this is a 10 rupees coin. Now look at the picture and tell me the value of these notes. Now, what is the value of this note? Yes, it is a 10 rupee note. What is the value of this note? It is a 50 rupees note. And this is a 100 rupees note. What is the value of this note? It is a 200 rupees note. This is a 500 rupees note and this is a 2000 rupees note. And now we will learn more about exchanging big coins and notes for smaller ones. So let us start now. Today we will start with a new lesson number 7, coins and notes. As in third standard also you have learnt about this topic. Today we will see exchanging big coins and notes for smaller ones. As this topic is very important in your daily life also. Everyone should know how to exchange big coins and notes for smaller ones. Means you should know how to do the exchange. Now we will see the change for 1 rupee. But do you know what is the value of 1 rupee? 1 rupee is also equals to 100 paise. In earlier days, 25 paise, 50 paise coins were used. See, in this way. This is the 50 paise coin. 50 paise coin, 25 paise coins were used. But now 25 paise and 50 paise coins are no more accepted by bank branches. But here we have to see how to exchange 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin is also equals to 100 paise. Therefore, for this 1 rupee, what we will give in exchange? We will give 2 50 paise coins. See, can you see now? This is 2 50 paise coins. 50 paise plus 50 paise is equals to 100. As we all know, 50 plus 50 is how much? 100. Therefore, for 1 rupee, what we will give in exchange? We will give 2 50 paise coins. Have you all understood? For 1 rupee, what we will give? 2 50 paise coins. Now, let us see the next one. Now we will see how to do the change for 2 rupees. As we have seen, 1 rupee is equals to how many paise? 100 paise. See, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Therefore, what will be the value of 2 rupees? 2 rupees is equals to how many paise? It will be 200 paise. So, how to give change for 2 rupees coin? See, for example, This is 2 rupee coin. How many coins of 50 paise we will give? For 1 rupee, we were giving 2 coins of 50 paise. So for 2 rupees, how many we will give? We will give, see, this is 50 paise. This is 50 paise. 50 plus 50 is how much? 50 plus 50 has become 1 rupee. Now again we have to give for 2 rupees. Now again 2 more coin of 50 paise. This is 50 paise coin, and this both again will be how much? 1 rupee. For 2 rupees, how many coins of 50 we are giving? 1, 2, 3, 4. 50 paise plus 50 paise is how much? 1 rupee. This 50 plus 50 paise plus 50 paise is how much? 1 rupee. And 1 plus 1 is how much? 2 rupee. Therefore, we are giving how many coins? 4 coins of 50 paise coins. For 2 rupees, we are giving 4 coins of 50 paise. Or else, what we can do? This is other exchange. For 2 rupees, we can also give 1 rupee coin. How many? 2. That is 1 plus 1 is how much? 2 rupees. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, in exchange for 2 rupees, how many coins of 1 we will give? 2. 2 coins of 1 rupee coin. Or else, or we can give 1 rupee coin, one coin of 1 rupee, and 2 coins of 50 paise. 50 paise plus 50 paise is how much? This is 1 rupee, and 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. Therefore, 1 coin of 1 rupee, 1 rupee coin, and 2 coins of 50 paise coin. See, for exchanging 2 rupees, the change for 2 rupees we can do in 3 methods. See, in these 3 ways we can give exchange for 2 rupees. First one is 4 coins of 50 paise. Then we have seen 2 coins of 1 rupee, that is equals to 2 rupees. And the third one is 1 rupee coin and 2 coins of 50 paise. 1 rupee and 50 plus 50 is how much? 1 rupee. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2 rupees. Therefore, 1 coin of 1 rupee and 2 coins of 50 paise. Have you all understood? Now we will see the change for a 5 rupee coin. How to give change for 5 rupee coin. This is 5 rupee coin. How we can give change? We can give 1 rupee coin. This is 1, 1, 1. How many coins of 1 rupee we can give? See, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, and 4 plus 1 5. Therefore, 5 coins of 1 rupee. We can give 5 coins of 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 coins of 1 rupee. Or else what we can do? We can do 2 rupee coin. 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. And we have to give change of 5 rupees. Therefore this, how many it has become now? 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. 1 more is remaining. Therefore 1 rupee coin 1. 1 coin of 1 rupee. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore, how many coins of 2 rupees? 2 rupee coin is how many? 2 rupee coins. 2 coins. And 1 rupee coin is how many? 1 rupee coin. See, 2 coins of 2 rupees and 1 coin of 1 rupees. Or else what we can do? We can give 50 paise coins. How many? See, 1, 2. How many it has become? 1. Now again 50 plus 50. 50 plus 50. 1. How many it has become now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 coins of 50 is how much? 2 rupees. Now again 50 plus 50. This will become 1 rupee. 50 plus 50, 1 rupee. This has become 1, 2, 3, 4. More 2 coins of 50 paise. All these are 50 paise coins. So, how many it has become now? 50 plus 50 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Has it become 5 rupees now? So, how many coins are there of 50 paise? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, therefore, 10 coins of 50 paise coin. In this way, you can do the change for 5 rupees. First, we have seen 1 rupee coin. How many? 5 coins of 1 rupee is equals to 5 rupees. Then 2 rupee coins, 2, and 1 rupee coin, 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. It has become 5 rupees. And also 50 paise coins, how many? 10. 10 coins of 50 paise will become 5 rupees. In this way, you can give the exchange for 5 rupee coin. Now we will see the change for a 10 rupee coin. For exchanging of 10 rupee coin, what we will give? How many coins of 50 paise we will give? 20 coins of 50 paise coin. See, in previously for 5 rupees coin, how many 50 paise coins we were giving? 10 coins of 50 paise. For 10 rupees, how many coins of 50 paise we will give? 20 coins of 50 paise. Or else 1 rupee coin, how many we can give? 10. 10 coins of 1 rupee. Or else we can give 2 rupee coins, how many we can give? 5. See, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 10. Therefore, 2 rupee coin, how many? 5. Or else 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. How many we can give? It depends on us. See, here we can give 4 coins of 2 rupee coins and 2 coins of 1 rupee. Or else what we can do here? We can do take here 3 coins of 2 rupee. It will become 6 rupees. And 4 coins of 1 rupee. That will become 4. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Here we can take. We can also take 3 coins of 2 rupee and 4 coins of 1 rupee. This can be changed also. Or else 5 rupee coins, how many we can give? We can give 2 coins of 5 rupee coins. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So have you all understood here? 50 paise coins, how many we can give? 20. 1 rupee coins we can give 10. And 2 rupee coins, how many we can give? 5 coins of 2 rupees. Or 2 rupee coins we can give 4 or 3. And in exchange 1 rupee coin we can give 2 or 4. If you are giving 3 coins of 2 rupees, of 1 rupee coins you can give 4, or 4 coins of 2 rupees if you are giving, you can give 2 coins of 1 rupee. And 5 rupee coins, how many you can give? You can give 2 coins of 5 rupee coins. In this way you can do change, you can give change for a 10 rupee coin. Have you all understood till here? Today we have seen the change for 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupee and 10 rupee coin. We will continue with our lesson in our next video. So we will stop here now. Kindly subscribe our channel to receive further notification. Thank you.